Hi and welcome. So I had these two pairs of jeans that I got in high school, but I couldn't bring myself to wear anymore. So I was like, okay, let's upcycle them. So you take off the top part and you are left with the legs, and you rip this seam right here so that you end up with a big nice piece of fabric. And then you repeat the process for the other jeans and you cut out those triangles so that you have more wiggle space on the top of the other jeans, and you disassemble them as well so that it's like pieces. And here is the back side, and you tear this apart as well. And I kept those two pieces because I used them as inner seam closure. And remember those little triangles that we drew on the blue jeans? Well, those blue jeans are inside out if you're wondering. So, as I said, we are going to attach them to the side seams of the grey jeans so that it fits better. And then you do that and you pleat both of the jeans. I stitched both of the legs together and then pleated them as one long strip of fabric. And here's how you do the pleats. So, okay, if the top part is X and the part that you need to be pleat is Y, you're going to divide X from Y, and this gives you A. And how many pleats do you want? So let's say 10, because it's a great number, because everything is easier when divided by 10. So you divide A by the number of pleats that you want, and you get B. So you divide Y, the part that is to be pleated, into B equal parts, and you bring 3 to 1, you bring 6 to 4, and etc. And here is the final result. I added some ribbons and I took the leftover parts from both the grey and the blue jeans to make this cute little chain to the side. And it has pockets. Oh my god, it has both front and back pockets, and I am so happy with how it turned out. And it is honestly so comfortable, and because of it is basically like two jeans in one skirt. It is so warm, and yeah, if you make it, I would love to see it. So see you next Wednesday. Bye!